Hello and welcome back to another video. In today's video we will be changing the spark plugs and air filter on this Nissan Micra 2007. Before we get into the video, could you please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. We have 3 10mm bolts across the front, and then we have 3 up the side, and one more 10mm here on the side. 2 more across the top here, Phillips head screw, unclip the clips for holding the air filter in. Remove this plug using your screwdriver. Move back these clips with your pliers. Take off the pipes. This one is a bit tight. Just had to get the screwdriver out. Another 10mm nut holding on this bracket. Just release that. Lead them to one side. There's a clip here holding these pipe or these wires in. And this pipe here has to come off as well. So when you have everything removed, lift the top off carefully. Just be careful of this piece. I'm sure it will be very expensive if you dropped it. That's your air filter. This one has seen better days, so definitely need replacing. Then we have 2 more 10mm bolts down here. Lift off your bottom part, and here are your 4 spark plugs. Another 10mm nut or a Phillips head screwdriver. Just pop this out to reveal your spark plug. Then get your spark plug socket anti-clockwise, and there is your spark plug. Fairly dirty, needed changing. New versus old. New one goes back in clockwise until tight. When you take out your socket, make sure that little rubber in there isn't stuck onto your spark plug in your engine. It can happen sometimes, and it's a real pain when it does, so just make sure that's not stuck in there. Just the reverse of taking them out, put it back in, push down tightly on it, get your little nut, 10mm nut, and tighten it up, and repeat for the other 3 ones. We'll replace the air filter when we have it opened. This is the old one versus the new one. Straightforward enough. Just place it in. Can be a nice fit. Again, just the reverse steps of taking it off. Place this back on. Your 2 10mm nuts. One at the front here, and at the back. Put on your top part. Replace your air filter One clip here at the front, put it back, clip it back on, and then one at the side. So just replace your bolts, one in here at the back. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 bolts in total to be tightened. Then it's just a matter of clipping everything back on, your pipes, clip for the pipe at the front, back in your sensor, little bolt, tighten up. Back in this bracket, your 10mm nut. Clip back in your pipes. And that's it done. Straightforward enough. Now time to start it. See, will it start? Lights are on. And she started. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. A few more jobs to do to this car, so if you could subscribe to my channel, that'd be great. See you in the next video. Bye bye.